Coffee, a drink that fuels our mornings, connects us with tradition, and binds us to the earth. But not all coffee is grown the same. In many parts of the world, coffee plantations are created by destroying precious forests. Ecosystems are disrupted, soil is eroded, and quality is compromised by rushed, careless methods. In India, the birthplace of Arabica coffee, the story is different. In the hills of Chikmagalur, coffee is grown in harmony with the forest, protected under the natural shade of ancient trees. Generations of Indian planters have perfected this art, cultivating coffee that respects nature, nurtures biodiversity, and delivers exceptional quality. Coffee is handpicked only at peak ripeness. It's dried naturally, capturing the full depth of flavor. Certified by the Coffee Board of India as among the finest, Indian Arabica stands as a symbol of sustainability and excellence. On one side, a cup that destroys forests and sacrifices quality. On the other, a cup that sustains nature and celebrates tradition. The choice is yours. Amyra Farm, growing sustainable coffee.